Race ya! Wow! I don't care what you say, that would be a fun job. Alright, I think he's gonna go right here. That is just so cool. Such a quiet plane. It's really quiet. I guess that's in their interest, to keep people from complaining. Good gosh, that is awesome. Alright, let's go. We've got a mic to test out. What are you about? I am the bovine whisperer. Well, hello, all you big silly creatures. You're the brave one, aren't you? Hello. Hey guys, it's okay. Oh look, look. It's just like all the grass you guys have out there, but it's so much greener. Look at it. Yeah, it's just like all the grass you have. Eat it. Or don't, whatever. Hey. Okay, go away. Go on, we're done. I just saw something. It intrigued me. Let's go see what it is. Oh no. It looks like it just goes back here and disappears. And so it was like, ooh, a disappearing road. Whoa! That's a lot of mud, that's what it is. Why is there so much? Oh, they ground up all the trees, that's what it is. I was like, why do they need this much mulch out here? It's a lot of mulch. Oh, it smells, oh my gosh, I wish you could, we need to invent smell-o-vision. This is like mostly cedar. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. So much power. I love it. Let's go straight here. Aye. There we go. Where's that go? I don't know. Probably nowhere interesting. That is such a big pile of mulch. Where's the fire? Where's the fire? Lord Jesus, there's a fire. I will come help. I can use my boots to help put it out. Just Brakes. That's a good name. Because it tells you what they do. They just do brakes. Just brakes. That's all we do. You need your brakes done. We do those, but nothing else. That's good. Good name, guys. How am I behind you? Yay! back in the city. It's the best, 'cause there's no dirt. So everyone looks at you like you're crazy. And they're intimidated by your dirtiness. It's pretty dirty. Ooh, the shadow of that building is all nice and cool. It's like mid-80s, approaching 90, but at least it's nice and dry, it's not humid. It's comfy. It's a comfy day. Chips! Here's chips! Here's chips! Looks like that bag is about to pop. They're fermenting in there, becoming more tasty by the minute. That's a funny jewelry advertisement. It's kind of different. I appreciate different. See, because that's what they usually look like. It's like, oh, I'm so awesome and chic. You'll never be as awesome and chic as me. But you can try by buying my jewelry. I don't smile. Smiling is for losers. Normal people. On the wall there it says, CK, go to Texaco. Like somebody's supposed to notice that while you're still there at Texaco waiting for them. Look on the wall, man. I left you a message on the wall. What wall? You'll figure it out. Just go. Just drive around. You'll find it. Hey. Hey. Race ya! Oh, we're neck and neck! Oh! Oh, he's winning! Oh! This is a race without using the throttle. It's a cruise race. I'm winning! Yes! Yes! I win! It means I'm much more skillful. Oh, that guy just made me yawn. Why is yawning contagious? Why? I've no idea where I am. Oh wait, I know where I am. No, I don't where I am, but I know where I need to go from here to get where I know that I need to be. So I know where I am. It's simple, really. A vaping lady. Is that a vape? A vapor stick? Cigar thing? Smoky apparatus? I don't know. Don't really understand, but what do I know? That is a sycamore tree. We used to have a very large sycamore tree in my front yard when I was a child. It overshadowed the entire neighborhood. In fact, you could see it from any point in the city. It was so high that airplanes would roost in its branches to rest. I would go out and bring tea up to them. That's an SD in front of me.